Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go Guitar. Ric Hassani, many times has been with us before here, and this song is called Love and Romance. Is that important things? It certainly is for Rick. That is a common theme, and I like his style real much, and his voice and songs and everything. So let's take a look at Love and Romance. We're gonna do that without any capo here, so that is great. And we have also easy chords, 4 chords. Let's take a look at them. Starting with C, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. That is the D, and it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is the GB. And that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so I just want to mention some technical stuff here when it comes to chord switches. We're gonna play this in the same order through the entire song, C, G, D, and GB. And the switch between the D and the GB, it's easy if you keep that 3rd fret B string there from the D, okay? This one, you keep that there, and you just go over to this position. So you don't have to release everything and think, okay, how is the GB? No, you keep that one there, and then you just go out with this index finger on the 2nd fret A string. Very easy there, from D to GB. All right, so that makes life much easier in the song. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern now. So this strumming covers 2 chords, so we're gonna look at the transition from C to G. Okay, so the first part, C, is played like this. But it goes down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first part. Then you switch chord to G and play down, clap, down. And that's a short pause in between these 2 parts. So you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And that's it for part 2, down, clap, down. So and then you play the same principle for D to GB. D is played in the same way as C, down, down, up, clap, down, and then GB, down, clap, down, like this. And there you have 1 round, and it goes like that through the entire song. Great, huh? So let's do a couple of chord progression rounds, like this. Ric Hassani's Love and Romance. Thank you for watching, guys. Support me here. Appreciate that. Until next time, play tuned.